How can Doyle Raizner make a difference in your hurricane insurance claim? They've probably put you through the ringer. They've probably been delaying your claim really since Hurricane Ike and thrown every trick in the book at you to try to slow things down, not to be fair, not to pay what they're supposed to pay, what their responsibility and what their obligation is to pay. When you get a law firm involved, when you get our law firm involved in your claim, the tables turn and it makes a big difference. Instead of just dragging things out, we take control of the situation. We get the right folks out to your home to measure and estimate things, and honestly, most of the time, it takes a lawsuit to get them to be fair, and we do that, and we get things going to make sure that the insurance company's taking your claim seriously and that they're honoring their contract. And what we've seen and what our clients have seen is that it makes a big difference when you get a lawyer involved, when you get our firm involved to help you out. Here's one example of one of our clients in a Hurricane Ike claim, what he was going through before and how it made a difference once we got involved in his case and helped him through it.
I believe I was fairly treated by Chris Bertini and Jeff Raizner. They did an excellent job. The insurance company that I had paid my premium to was denying everything, didn't want to pay for anything, so that's why I hired Chris Bertini and Jeff Raizner. After I hired him, it was like all of a sudden it was like a totally different case. It was like the insurance company wanted to help me out, and they wanted to do this and they wanted to do that, but it was only after I hired a lawyer. Before I hired a lawyer, I was nobody. I was just I guess a number. I don't know the word I'm looking for. I was just a number. I wasn't a case. I wasn't nobody. But after I hired a lawyer, I was a person then, instead of a number. After I hired the lawyers, the insurance company called me and asked me if they could talk to me, and I told them, well, I've hired a lawyer. I'm not supposed to be talking to you no more, and I hung the phone up. Set the phone down, the phone rings again. I pick it up, and they tell me who they are with the insurance company again. They ask me, did you hang up on me? I said, I don't know, it sounded like this, and I slammed the phone down. So, with that being said, I never spoke to him again until we got ready to settle on September 1st of this year. Like I said, you know, I appreciate what Jeff and Chris did for me. They were just doing their job, but I think they gave me a good, fair settlement. And I've already hired a contractor. He's already gave me a bid. I've already signed the bid and paperwork proposal. And when we get the funds, it should be within the next week or so, we've already picked out new brick, we've already picked out mortar, we've already picked out new paint for the inside of the house once all the sheetrock cracks are repaired. And I'll just move on. And I'm glad that Jeff and Chris helped me out with this issue that I was having.
If you've been in this kind of situation, give us a call and we can help out. We'll try to get things on track for you. We'll take control of the situation, and we'll do what we need to do to get your case resolved.